Hello everyone. Welcome to day 7 of our 30 days English learning series. Today we are going to learn a new word, can. Can is used to ask about ability or permission. Ability means something you are able to do. Let's look at some easy examples. Can you swim? Yes, I can. If you know how to swim, you can say, yes, I can. Here's another example. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can. Now let's see one more example. Can birds fly? Yes, they can. Birds can fly because they have wings. Now it's your turn. Can you dance? Comment your answer below. Here's another question. Can you draw? If you can, write yes, I can. If you cannot, write no, I can't. Comment your answer below. Now let's have a fun mini quiz. Question 1. Can a fish fly? Yes or no? The correct answer is no. A fish cannot fly. Question 2. Can a duck swim? Yes or no? The correct answer is yes. A duck can swim. Great job. Let's review what we learned today. Can is used to ask about ability or permission. We learn can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can. Can birds fly? Yes, they can. Excellent work, everyone. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.